Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. So, after the episode, after that Terry episode from the other previous video, cry baby. Okay, anyway guys, I just want to tease myself for crying. Suki lala. Anyway, but today I have supper. This supper comes from my daughter's work people. They had a supper happening. I even had one last night, and that was from my son-in-laws, and that was delicious. I tell you what. Usually we have supper bits left in the containers, but last night's supper was so bomb diggity. Whoever made it, the hands that made it was, I don't know how many hands made it, but it was lovely. Oh, anyway, this one, it's comes with a raw fish, and it comes with a fried bread, guys. Yes, but then they're separate. But then this is separated, far out, separated. Guys, you guys got a new word, separated. Imagine, are they still together? No, they're separated. Slap me. Don't ever do that again. Yeah, anyway guys, so let's get this started. I want to show you what's in here. Okay, it's all this good stuff. It's like chop suey, and it's got chicken, potato salad, curry sausages, fried rice, and I'm going to see what it tastes like. And I got me tomato sauce. Oh, oh, my camera fogged up. See, because the food is hot, and all of a sudden, oh, okay, that's what happened. So, let's try this. Yeah, like I was saying, I got tomato sauce, because I prefer tomato sauce, not barbecue sauce. No. Barbecue sauce I don't mind, but in ribs. You know, pork ribs? That's it. Pork ribs. Ouch, hurt myself just then. Oh, stupid table. Anyway, and my drink today, guys, is cardio. Cheers. Yes, it's the Jaffa. The Jaffa mixed together the orange and the red cordial, and you get bomb diggity cordial. I brought the camera down slightly. It's alright if you don't see the top of my head, as long as you see the food, guys, because that's what we're here for, to get this going. So, I put this fried bread here. My husband had a raw fish earlier, and he said it's made with cream. Okay, it's not cream, but I like ice cream now. I like cream and oka. Yeah, it is oka. Yes. Yeah. Guess what? We're gonna try the oka first. Yeah, but it's your fella's turn. Bye. Ooh la la. No, my husband said it was nice, and it is. It smells like the yeast fried bread. Okay, this actually tastes nice. I noticed it doesn't have cucumber. I love cucumber in mine. Got a lot of onion. So many people are selling suppers. It's a fundraising. Anyway, let me try this food out. So there's curry sausages, right? What I need, bit of salt. Not too much, just a bit. There we go. That's better. Yeah, better. The ogre was really nice too. Ooh. The potatoes and get fried rice with the too. I tried this, dip it in tomato sauce. Chicken. I'm going to try out sup sui. People got different hands they're making the sup sui, eh? Yeah. So there's got to be some chicken leo or something dropped down. Yeah. Disturbance to us while we're eating our lunch. Oui. Oui. That's alright, you know. I know there's some people that likes BB sup sui. That's not me, guys. I'm not that person. I don't like that would BB. That's alright. That's alright. Man, I got good ahead. We had some supper last night, and that tasted different too. The sup sui. Yeah, the sup sui reminds me of my auntie Galia's. When we used to go to Sunday school as kids, we always used to look forward to running home, having sup sui and boiled potato. Good. I got stuff on. Macaroni. Now this potato salad has quite a few eggs in it. Yeah, take a bite and have a taste. Tell me how it goes. Was it nice? Nice and creamy. Man, it's sup sweet. See just how nice my auntie's sup sui was back in those days. Lovely. You don't really get like curry sausages and suppers, eh? But why not? As long as the food is clean and tastes nice, I don't care what it is. Do the curry sausage, curry chicken, curry beef, as long as the food is clean and yummy. Well, they were saying, excuse me, don't forget me. How about my love? Potato of the curry. It's good when you find suppers and like these days they're sort of selling it for like $15 now. $10 is slowly drifting out the door. So then it becomes common to have it for $15. But I tell you what, if your food is good and it's worth it, like you put a knife, now you open up the thing and you go, oh, with the other half, you know, you've got to make it worth it. Like, see the line here? Worth it. Not worth it. It's under. I'm just saying. I mean, $15 to some family, it's a lot of money. But if people are going to pull that $15 to help your fundraise, yeah, your fundraise, then you make it worthwhile. You make it yummy. So when next time they say, hey Faye, you want to buy a supper? I go, who are you again? Which one are you again? If I remember you had nice food, I'll go, oh yes please. I will order 5. I always order 5, always 5. My husband always says, why you order so much? That's not even much. But I like, you know, supporting. That's what I like. He says, why you order much? But yeah, he's the first one to eat. Nice upstream. Beautiful. Good. When you guys saw the food, did you think it was beautiful? It looked nice, man. I mean, I attempted to make fried rice once in my life. Once. How old am I? 21? Yeah, once in my life. And I'll tell you what, it was fail. It was such a fail, I never made it again. I know I can do better this time, now that I'm older. But when I made it when I was a teenager, it traumatized me. To the fact that I burnt the frying pan. And then I panicked because my dad was nearly home. And then because my dad hates mess. My dad hates mess and he hates dishes piling on the sink. He hates anything messy. You know, and I knew it was almost time. See, my dad, he doesn't smack us when we were little. He doesn't. He doesn't know. If he smacks us, it's like he's going to cry. But anyway, by his voice, you know, when he tells us off, that's, you know, it hurts. Yeah, so we know that he hates mess. So when I knew he was almost home, I was trying to make a nice fried rice. So when they come home, ta-da! But no, I was being Benny Hill. Yeah, that's me when I was cleaning the frying pan to dry it and put it away like nothing happened. Oh, but, how was the movie?
Good.
Huh? Why isn't your jumper on? Were you going around like that?
No, it was hot in Mother's house.
Oh, okay.
But
Okay, you're lucky. You're lucky. You know, my kids, She's 15, but she's still not allowed to wear inappropriate clothes. No, no, no. No, no, no. You wait till you're about 30. And then when you get 30, it will be inappropriate to wear what she's supposed to wear now, where they think they can wear now. I just don't think it's appropriate to try and show any, you know. You know what? And my kids know I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't want any boys to call my kids, you know, bad names, thinking that's what their character's like, but not. But I hope it's not. Better not be. My favourite fish to do waka, it's got to be New Zealand snapper. That's the best. But you know what they're using now? It's that skinny fish that it comes really, really cheap. I think it comes from Indonesia or something. I don't know. It comes in a box and you can buy it really cheap. So that's what they use. But I prefer New Zealand snapper. Because, man, it's the best. And my auntie later, oh, I remember she made this oka. I've eaten so many oka, but I will never forget the one she made. And she put half cream, half coconut cream. What do you got to eat today? Sorry that I don't put the addresses of the shop that I buy my food sometimes. I'm just too busy trying to write my little story and then hashtag it, and then I don't think of doing it. Forgive me. But I'll try and do it now. This poor chicken wing thing. Hello, I'm sick of soaking in this tomato sauce. Can you get me out, please? And you know what? The sauce, tomato sauce I love, is what is tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Do you guys have tomato sauce in New Zealand, tomato sauce in America? I know I get a lot of viewers from America. G'day, talofa. Thank you guys for coming through and watching my channel. Samoa me ayaku oka. That's why I'm size, can you see my size? Really skinny, slim under here. But I won't show you because it'll be inappropriate. My mama might come and fussy me. Earlier, my mama and I were watching TV. She's about, if she didn't ask to have the TV on, we had to turn the TV on. But she wanted to watch TV. So we're watching, and next minute, and then after that, she said, "Well, I'm gonna go sleep." And yet, what was she doing over there? Watching TV and sleeping. Sorry about that episode yesterday. Sorry about the episode of me crying. OMG. I was thinking, I couldn't even shut myself up. I was thinking, control yourself, woman. No, it wouldn't listen. I got emotional because I thought, my mum doesn't, what she does is like laughs a lot. So usually when I have my little problems, when I got, like, I'm upset, so, you know, I'll go and talk to her. And she can, she can always help me, you know, like, she changes my mood. She puts it in a way of me understanding, always quoting a Bible verse or something, and or her own personal advice, you know, and it really helps, and it just calms me down, make me see the light of my ways, don't be naughty, just get over it. Or my brother's one, go down into the shopping mall, go into aisle 6, look up for that can of Harden Up and buy me a can and use it. That always makes me laugh. I thought, oh, if my brother watched that video, he's going to go, hey, she didn't listen to me. She should have went and got that can of Harden Up. Trust me, I was trying my best to hold it. Hold it, stop. See, sometimes when you don't listen to yourself, it goes wrong. Okay. Hey guys, I just want to give a shout out, okay? There's not many names, okay, because I'm telling you, I've been busy. But I do see comments that I should have quickly, because sometimes when I'm reading something, like I'm at the shopping centre or I'm in the car and I don't have my book. So, I forget where I saw a comment, and then, anyway, let me give the first shout out, okay guys? The first shout out is Drizzle and Chew TV. Drizzle and Chew TV is the lady from America. She is doing a mukbang channel, and she doesn't have much subscribers, guys. Please go and show her some love. Go and watch her channel. You know, she's still, you know, gonna get much more food and do much more, and you guys are gonna like watching it. So please go and check her out. Her name is Drizzle and Chew TV. So she'll like to see that you guys pop over. I'm sure she will. Okay guys, what am I giggling for? Okay, enough violence abuse on me, please. Okay, here we are. And this one, I'd like to say hello to, it's OG NCMKA, okay? So thank you very much for stopping by and watching my channel, leaving a comment, appreciate it. And then there's Natasha Namat. Now, Natasha said that she saw me at the shopping mall. Natasha, sorry, I didn't see, maybe you saw me because I don't know what you look like, but you know what I look like, so next time, I don't mind you coming up to say hello. Oh, I would love that, you know. Just come and say hello and we'll high five and then we'll go our own separate ways. But thank you very much for commenting, you know. I didn't know, I didn't see, you know. I tell you the truth, I told you this before, I can talk to people that I really know. And I can talk, as you guys can see on my videos. But meeting people, I'm a bit, you know, like standoffish and fiffy. Anyway, okay, like that. But once I get to know you, yeah, hanky-dory. Okay, so Natasha Namat, hello. Thank you very much for commenting and watching my videos. And then there's another one. It's 3-7. It's got a way of spelling it, like it's got a free with a free. 3 with a 3, and then the 7 with a 7. So hello to you. And then Lisa Tovo, hello Lisa Tovo. So these are the people that I wanted to shout out. There's 5 of you guys, and sorry if I didn't shout out anyone else that let me know. Let me know. And say, excuse you, Faye. How dare you? And I'll put your name down in the book for next time, okay, guys? Ia wailoa. Ia, o umala o mea ai. Whawhikai ia lea kua le mea ai. Whawhikai ia I 5 ngā whaia. E whawhikai fwoi ia 5 ngā whaia. Lo kōdio a lele ingo. Whawhikai fwoi le mea lea. Le oka ma le fried bread. Le fried bread. Le fried bread ngā le kakala. Whaapaka, whaasiamu ingo lo ma le puki. Reminds me of my dad, those kind of days. Hey. Okay, you guys take care, and did you guys forgive me already for that Suki Lala video that I done just before this one?